Apple just announced 2 new Apple Watches today. Let's find out if they're worth getting or upgrading to. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, let's go over the major improvements and differences between the new Series 6 and Series 5 Apple Watches and the newly introduced Apple Watch SE to see if these new Apple Watches are worth getting or upgrading to. I'll also share my recommendations at the end of the video. By the way, if you'd like to play with custom Apple Watch faces like the ones in my thumbnail or throughout this video, check out my video on the Clockology app, link here and below in the descriptions. You don't need the new Apple Watches to run the app. So, what new features do we get with the new Apple Watch Series 6? At the high level, there are just 2 major new features really, the blood oxygen monitor and the new colors. First, the blood oxygen monitor. Even though it may not seem like a big deal, the blood oxygen level is an essential indicator of our health. A blood oxygen monitor or an oximeter is the first thing doctors and nurses put on us when we go into the hospital. In addition to telling time and all the smart functions, alerts, messaging, Apple Watch is becoming more and more an essential health device which can save lives. The new Apple Watch blood oxygen monitor uses a combination of red, green, and infrared lights to get the blood oxygen level reading in 15 seconds on demand. It also takes these readings in the background. Second, Apple Watch Series 6 has many new color options. A blue and a product red color in aluminum, a new gold and graphite color in stainless steel. No more sleek but very expensive ceramic option though. In addition to these 2 major features, there's some minor improvements as well. On the inside, the chipset has been updated to the S6 with a dual-core processor based on the A13 Bionic. Apple says it has a 20% performance improvement over the previous S5. I'll have to wait and see if the 20% performance boost can be seen and felt in day-to-day use. Series 6 also adds the U1 Ultra Wideband chip. Even though Apple didn't say much about this, it'll probably be used with the upcoming rumored AirTags to locate items. The altimeter has also been updated on the Series 6 to provide a more precise and real-time altitude. Great for those of us who like to hike. Series 6 has the same display as the Series 5. The only improvement here is the always-on screen is 2.5 times brighter outdoors on the Series 6. I upgraded to Series 5 mainly for the always-on screen and have found it to be bright enough, so while brighter is nice, this is probably not a huge improvement for me. The water resistance is the same at 50 meters. Series 6 storage stayed the same as Series 5 at 32 gigabytes. The battery life also stays the same at 18 hours. Series 6 does charge faster. It now only takes an hour and a half to reach full charge instead of the 2.5 hours before. I'm still waiting for the day when the Apple Watch battery can last for a few days between charges. That alone would be reason to upgrade someday. The price stayed the same too, except for the addition of the entry-level Apple Watch SE. Apple Watch SE starts at $279 US. The cellular option on those only costs $50 instead of $100 more on the Series 5 and Series 6. The SE only comes in aluminum with 3 color options, black, silver, and gold. It has the same 40 or 44 millimeter screen sizes, but not the always-on feature. It doesn't have blood oxygen and ECG monitoring though, and uses last year's S5 chipset instead of the new S6. So, should you upgrade to or get these new Apple Watches? If you already have the Series 5 Apple Watch, unless you really need the new blood oxygen monitoring feature for health reasons, I don't see a big reason to upgrade. The various improvements are nice, but not must-haves if you already have a Series 5 Apple Watch. Having said that, I think Series 6 is worth considering if you have an older Series 3 or 4 Apple Watch. As an entry-level smartwatch, Apple Watch SE offers good value for those who want to try out a smart fitness watch for the first time. Even though it doesn't have ECG and blood oxygen monitoring nor the always-on display, it still has many of the Apple Watch's good features. It can also take advantage of all the new software features about to be added with watchOS 7 tomorrow, September 16th, and for many years to come. I actually think it's also a good choice over Apple Watch Series 3, which is still available now, since Apple Watch SE has the newer and bigger screen, among other things. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. Do you plan to upgrade or get one of these new Apple Watches? Let me know why in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.